Hi guys, once again I'm here from Top Town Mobiles with a new repair. Before start, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel below for more repairs. Let's start today. Today's repair is I'm just repairing a Huawei phone, which is Huawei Y6 2019. I'm just gonna replace the LCD screen. So let's start it. There you go. So let's start Huawei 2019 LCD. So we need to use the rod. We need to open this frame from here side. So you lift all this part, then we're gonna change it. So let's start it. This is just clipped, so just start it from one side. Keep on doing like this. Here you go. As you can see, I've just opened it. This is the back part, just leave it here. So this is the LCD with the frame, and that's separate. Now LCD is in front. This is connected all the way up to here. So we will open this part. We'll heat the front bit. We'll take out the LCD then. Here's the connector. Yeah. So let's start giving heat first on the front. So before putting the new LCD, we will just open the connector from here. We will put the new LCD here, test it. If it will work, then we're gonna start next. So let's open the connector of LCD from here. Let's open the screws first. Here you go. Second one. So this is all connected up to here, so we need to open the third as well. Probably it's gonna come. Here you go. Here, it's open now. This is the LCD connector, so we'll test from here. So I'm just opening the battery connector, just disconnected, so I'll just put it back. So here you go, that's the new LCD. So I'm just gonna test it. We'll just connect the new LCD here and we'll see how that works. Then we're gonna open the rest of the part. Here you go, new LCD. As you can see, it will just go over here. That's it, just like this. Right, so I will now just try to turn this on, which was the here bottom button. I'll just try to power on with the rod. And here you go, new LCD is coming up. As you can see, this is the new LCD. So let it just turn on. I'll just swipe the screen. I'll check either it's working, then we will start the rest of the process. Hey guys, as you can see the screen, just swap up. As you can see, all this pattern is working, so it's fine. I'm just doing it proper, and then I'm gonna fix it. There you go. That's it. It's just going off. So let's take out the rest of the parts and then start the process. Here you go. I've just taken the new. Now what we will do is we'll open this part, we'll heat the front bit, take out the LCD and put the new LCD. So I'm just gonna open the bottom port. Let's open the screws from the bottom. and one more screw left. Okay, good. So just try to lift this part. Hey, good. This is open. The bottom bit, just leave it here. And as you can see, LCD is connected going here all the way from bottom, which is here. So I'm just gonna give the heat. I'm just gonna give the heat on front, and so we will open it. So let's do the heat from 3 to 6 minutes in regular 4 sides. There you go, guys. Heat is done. Now let's start doing the LCD. As you can see, I've just tried to lift it a bit, so it's just doing it. There you go. So just start lifting the LCD. Try to put the rod under the LCD, and then it will come out easily. This is preheated, so it should come. If it's still sticked, so make sure you just give the heat in equal patterns, slowly, and then it will come off. Here you can see it's just came off all here.
Hello.
Right, guys, as you can see, this is just came off, and there is a tape. Just take out the tape, and that's it. Here's connector, so we'll just go on the back, and we'll just and there's one more thing. This connector, just lift this a bit and this will come off. So just this connector was here, you just lift it and just push it down, it will just come off. There you go. And here you go. LCD is separate here. Now what we will do, we will take out this tape from here, which is on the front part. All of tape, we will remove this from here, and then we're gonna put the tape on either this part of the LCD and then put the new LCD back. As I put back the new screen now, connector all the way from here, just put the connector back. Now put the bottom part here back, just like here. Just give it a bit push, click, and then put the screws back on. Very good. And just 2 more left. And here comes the last from the bottom. Here we go. So this part is covered. I've connected the LCD here back, battery back. So just cover this part. Put the screws back on. And the battery connector. Second in the middle. And third one. Here. There you go. So now I will put back the cover and then start from the bottom. There you go. There you go. Just start clipping it like this. Slowly, slowly. There you go, it has gone. And now the SIM slot which I just took out before repairing. So I'm just putting them back. And I'm just trying to turn on and test it. There you go, it's working, coming on, and as I have already checked the LCD. There you go. So it's all done. So guys, today we just repaired the Huawei Y6 2019 LCD. Hope you like the repair. If you like the repair, please do subscribe to the channel and comment below. Till the new repair.